What is it all about coming up?
Okay, we'll look at the skid marks in just a little bit, but what do you suppose was wrong with the way they illustrated that following distance stuff? We're dealing with what kind of condition out there? Fogged in?
Fog.
Yeah, thank you, Cooper. Okay, so what was wrong with how they illustrated it? You can't tell what? You can't tell how far you are from that other vehicle because you're impaired by the rain or the fog or the sandstorm or whatever it is. You can't see, in other words, whom you're following. So you have to change your whole concept. We call it a sight distance now, a sight distance. All right, how far you can see into the future of your car, in other words. And what we want is not, well, what did they suggest? How many seconds? What do we want? 4. This is the reason why our book now has 4-second following distances in it. Also because of the 4-second sight distance. In Germany, on the Autobahn, when it gets so socked in with fog or rain or whatever, people start slamming into each other. They started taking some statistics on the ground, see what the skid marks tell them. And what it showed was that had they added a 1 second advantage to their 3-second following distance, they would have 80% of the time avoided that crash. 80%, that's huge. So we call it the 1 second advantage because 3 seconds is only what? Only the...
Enough time to react.
Yeah, the only average reaction time. Give yourself above average, in other words, and now you've got 4 seconds. That's why it's in the book.
Like, what would happen if it's like traffic? Like, you cannot, no matter what, you can't have 4 seconds.
Yeah. So it's so fast or so heavy that you can't see in front of you 4 seconds in advance. You should do what? Somebody suggested earlier. Yeah, it's probably so bad you shouldn't even be driving. That's absolutely right. We're going to try it here in just a little bit on the simulator and see, and we'll be able to count out what 4 seconds looks like. And you're right, you may be traveling at such slow speeds that it's more hazardous to your health, too, to travel at that slow speed. If you go faster, you won't be able to see what's piled up in front of you. So it's best to get out of that condition altogether. Where would you go if you have to come to a stop? What would you do? Good question. Go where? Rest stop would be ideal, but if you're out in the middle of nowhere, best just to get where? Shoulder. Shoulder, way off the shoulder, in fact. Get off the road completely. Now what do you do with your car?
Lock in.
Get in the ditch.
You want to put it in the... Do what? Okay, if you put your hazards on, what's going to happen? The car's behind you.
They're gonna follow you.
That's right. They're thinking that you're still on the road in the fog, and that's what they're aiming for. So they're going to just follow you off the road and hit you, more than likely. So turn off your lights completely. That means stay off your brake too, right? Keep your seatbelt and such on, and just try to ride it out unless you know with somebody else and they're comfortable driving. Okay, it is really hazardous. Here's how you work it. I'm going to use a little flashlight to kind of help. Okay, basically, remember the following distances, right? The problem is you can't see what? You can't see beyond that fog bank. You can't see what's up there, what you're following. Okay? So you have to just find something and count out what? Just like we did before. Let's say it's the tanker truck that's up here. This is the top. Okay. Use something like a marker on the side of the road. You know, maybe it's a fence post or what? An exit ramp, or maybe just even those simple little bumps in the lanes, the turtle backs. All right? And you find something, and that's as far as you can see into your beam. Which beam?
Low beam.
Low beam, good. You only see about 150 feet actually into your low beam. That's about it. That's half a football field. So, start counting. What? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Now you're right at it, and guess what? You have time enough to react to that down trucker there. Sight distance, it's a totally different concept. And not a lot of people observe it. Why? What's going on with our brains when we drive through fog or through snow? Or we start to panic and we feel we're going
Slower.
so slower. Yeah, velocitation. We feel we're going so slower, so we maintain our speeds. Should be in which lane, too, if you're on the freeway?
Slowly.
Slow lane. So which one? Direction?
Right.
Right. Good. Who wants to try it? I saw the hand here first. That was Jim. Okay, we're going to get you up on the screen, the big screen. Drive in the fog. We'll have at least 2 or 3 of you drive in the fog. I got to demonstrate for everybody.
Only just a quick
And
screen.
I'll walk you through it.
Only just a quick screen.
Yeah, let's go. Here's our fog program. Sure. Make sure it's moving correct. Got it all adjusted, okay? You can use 2 feet if you want. Okay. All right, turn your low beams on. That's going to be the green light up here, not the blue light. The blue light is typically your high beams. No, the triangle would be your hazards. Yeah, we might need those though. Be aware, we might need them. Okay, now first, hold on a second. We got to adjust the mirror. The mirrors are off. Okay, see that? Just good. Okay, and then CPO on. Parking brake. Oops. Okay, I'll go. Heidi, can you dim the lights for us over there? Whoops, whoops, low beams.
Ready.
There we go, green light, right behind you. So we've got the green light that indicates low beams versus blue light, the high beams. Is it raining out? We okay? Probably not. Don't need that. Good. All right. Ready? Put the car in drive. And brake off. Do your scan. Make sure it's okay. Look at how thick it is. Can you tell what road she's on here? What do you see? What kind of road?
In the city.
No? Right there. There you go. Yep.
You already get pulled over,
There's the cars. And, oh, too much. Don't. Brake, 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 brake. Somebody's coming. Can't see him. Hard to see him. Yeah, hard to see him. Good. Okay, go now. Go quick. Get right on. Look, it's just a 1 lane with a yellow there. What do you think? Freeway. Slow it down, and get on. Speed up now on the straightaway. Signal mirror over shoulder. You're getting on the freeway. That's where we are. Head check. Over shoulder. Good. How fast? How's she doing here? 1001, 1002. 1001, 1002. There you go. See, you're doing what? Is she paying attention to the speed? Yeah, now she's dropping it down. Okay. Look as far into it as you can see. First post you see 1001, 1002, 1000. Still a little fast. Ah, she said she's going the speed limit, but what are we supposed to do?
Slow down.
Slow down. So we have to go way under the speed limit. Can you get a ticket for going the speed limit?
Yes.
Yes.
So how long is this to go?
Yeah.
In this
Well,
state,
it has
right there, 30 miles an hour.
conditions.
Oh.
1001, 1002, 1000, about 2.5 second sight distance. That's it. So it's so dangerous, you better do what? Maybe pull over. We're going to keep going, but put on our, see that? We're being passed. We put on our hazards. Look at this, look at this. What are they going to do? Can you see them still?
Yeah.
Barely.
Now they're gone.
Now they're gone. How far? Now they're gone in that lane, but did they suddenly change over? You don't know. So keep going that speed until, oh, look, a little better? They're gone completely. Okay, get up to speed. That's the nature of fog right there. It comes and it goes. It lifts and it falls back down again. You have different rivers that you cross over. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. That's all that means. Don't take the exit ramp. Pretty good. 1001, 1002, 1003. Yeah, let's do our 4-second advantage. Good. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1000. Almost there. 3.5 seconds. Is it kind of thick? Yeah, I better slow it down. 1001, 1000. Ooh. There you go, there you go. Okay, it's getting hazardous again. Put on your hazard lights, warning lights. Hard to see in the mirror with that sun glare. Yeah, you can see them, very good. You guys see them? Up there, the two headlights, it's about all you can see. And what? Yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, my. He's following you. Not bad. Anybody else want to attempt? You got through the freeway. That's pretty good. Yeah, take your exit here. Pretty good. Cooper, you're up next. Let's see if she can get to the off ramp. Oh, you off ramp? Oh no, you're being. Oh man, he came into your lane. You are. Anybody behind you? No. You're okay. Good. Excellent. Foot to the brake, eyes in the mirror. Not bad. Sure. How fast is an exit ramp or an interchange? It may be on the sharp curve like this. 25. You see it? Yeah, good eye. Not bad. Yeah. Think so? You can do it? A little faster?
Have a roundabout coming up.
Awesome. How fast on a roundabout, guys?
I
In your neighborhood, 10 to 15, but on most roundabouts, yeah. Good. Scan, make sure it's safe. That's quick. Anybody? Which lane's supposed to go into?
I'm supposed to be in the first
Oh,
one.
okay. You gonna get over there right now, or
No, I
wait for
guess
the
not.
car? Good. All right. Go ahead and get over now, in between, or past. Good job. And take a right.
Oh, my right.
Right bumper. Rural Route 12. Which lane? Good. Keep to the right, especially with that car behind us. You were what? Pretty good. Ooh, sharp curve ahead. What is that you're going up on? Can you tell? Yeah, seems like a ramp. Maybe there's a bridge ahead, an overpass. We're going back over the freeway. What's happening? Behind. Car. Awesome. Awesome. Up. Mileposts. Watch out. Not bad. All right. Impressive. Okay. I'm going to give you something weird. Watch out. You ready? Get up to speed.
Get up to speed?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm at
No faster.
faster?
Says 55. Let's do 55. See what happens.
Okay. Really trying.
50, I know. It's not a muscle car. There you go. You're getting up there. Nice. Whoa!
Oh.
Just got you out of a curve. All right. Nice job. You did really good, Alexander. Cooper, let's give him the test.
I don't know
See
what's
if you-
happening. I'm just gonna wander in there.
You did great. Okay, we're going to test Cooper, see if he can pass.
Okay.
If he doesn't, next one up, was it Tristan? Or
Can I get next
did
one?
you want it?
What? I go next.
Oops.
I go after that.
What's that?
I go after that.
Yes, unless it's the ice we do, we might have to.
We're not there.
That's off-road, isn't it?
This is the icy one.
Go ahead and pause it a sec.